Welcome. Today we step into the energy of Shiva, the Mahayogi, the embodiment of supreme, unshakable stillness. Imagine Mount Kailash. It is the highest, most rugged peak, surrounded by biting winds, shifting blizzards, and avalanches. At the very top of this chaotic mountain sits Lord Shiva. His eyes are gently closed, his breath is slow and rhythmic. Worlds are created and destroyed around him. Star collapses and the storms rage. Yet Shiva remains absolutely unmoved. He is not fighting the storm. He is simply so deeply rooted in his own true nature that the storm cannot touch him. We live in a chaotic world. The winds of anxiety, deadlines, and expectations howl around us. But today, you are going to find your own Mount Kailash. You are going to become the silent witness. Feel your body resting on the earth. Become as steady as a mountain. Plant the seed of intention into your subconscious mind. Repeat it 3 times. I am the calm, the unshakable center of my own life. The storm passes, but I remain. Now, let us begin the rotation of consciousness. As I name each part of the body, simply bring your awareness to that area. Do not move the muscle. Do not overthink it. Just touch it with your attention like a flash of light and move on. Bring your attention to the right side of your body. Become aware of the right hand thumb, second finger, third finger, fourth finger, fifth finger, palm of the hand, back of the hand, the wrist, lower arm, elbow, upper arm, the right shoulder, armpit, the right waist, the hip, right thigh, knee, calf muscle, ankle, heel, sole of the right foot, top of the foot, right big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, fifth toe. Now shift your awareness to the left side of your body. Become aware of the left hand thumb, second finger, third finger, fourth finger, fifth finger, palm of the hand, back of the hand, the wrist, lower arm, elbow, upper arm, the left shoulder, armpit, the left waist, the hip, left thigh, knee, calf muscle, ankle, heel, sole of the left foot, top of the foot, left big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, fifth toe. Now move your awareness to the back of the body, the right heel, the left heel, the back of the right knee, the back of the left knee, the right thigh, the left thigh, the right glute, the left glute, the lower back, the middle back, the upper back, the entire spine from the tailbone to the base of the skull, the right shoulder blade, the left shoulder blade, the back of the neck, the back of the head. Now bring your awareness to the top and the front of the body, the crown of the head, the forehead, the right eyebrow, the left eyebrow, the space between the eyebrows, the third eye center, the right eye, the left eye, the right ear, the left ear, the right cheek, the left cheek, the nose, the tip of the nose, the upper lip, the lower lip, the chin, the throat, the right collarbone, the left collarbone, the right chest, the left chest, the center of the chest, the heart center, the upper abdomen, the navel, the lower abdomen, the pelvis. Now become aware of the whole body together, the whole right leg, the whole left leg, both legs together, the whole right arm, the whole left arm, both arms together, the entire torso, neck, and head. Become aware of the whole body resting on the floor, the whole body completely relaxed. रात की शांति मुझे अपने गोद में ले रही है। शरीर विश्राम कर रहा है, मन शांत हो रहा है, विचार धीरे धीरे दूर जा रहे हैं। मैं शिव की करुणा में सुरक्षित हूँ। मैं गहरी नींद और पुनर्जागरण की ओर बढ़ रहा हूँ। शिव मेरे अंतर, शांति मेरे अंतर, प्रकाश मेरे अंतर, आनंद मेरे अंतर। सांस आती है, सांस जाती है। मेरा मन शिव में समाता है। मैं स्थिर हूँ, मैं निश्चल हूँ। मैं शिव की चेतना में विश्राम कर रहा हूँ। Now leave the awareness of the physical body and shift your attention to the natural breath. Do not try to change your breath. Do not force it. Simply watch it. Notice the cool air entering through the nostrils on the inhale and the warm air leaving on the exhale. Feel the gentle rise of your navel as you breathe in and the gentle fall of your navel as you breathe out. Just feel the absolute space and stillness created by your breath. You are safe, you are empty, you are ready to step deeper into the mind. In the space of your mind, see yourself sitting on the top of the snowy mountain peak. The air is crisp and pure. Below you, far in the distance, you can see the flashing lights and the dark clouds of a fierce thunderstorm. You can see the chaos of the world below. A sense of peace radiates from him. Up here and enters there is absolute silence. You realize the storm below falls gently. Cannot reach this height. You look, you are safe. To your side, you are detached. Shiva, you are pure sitting beside you in meditation. Let the mantra of supreme consciousness vibrate through your resting body. Om Namah Shivaya. Shivaya Namah. Om Namah Shivaya. Shivaya Namah. Om Namah Shivaya. Shivaya Namah. Om शिव की शांति मेरे अंतर में फैल रही है। मैं धीरे धीरे स्थिर हो रहा हूँ। हर सांस के साथ मैं और गहरी विश्रांति में उतर रहा हूँ। जो आवश्यक नहीं है उसे मैं छोड़ रहा हूँ। मैं शांत हूँ, मैं सुरक्षित हूँ, मैं पूर्ण हूँ। शिव तत्व मेरे हृदय में प्रकट हो रहा है। मैं सीमाओं से परे हूँ, मैं प्रकाश हूँ, मैं चेतना हूँ, मैं शून्य हूँ और इसी शून्यता में पूर्णता का अनुभव कर रहा हूँ। ओम नमः शिवाय, शिवाय नमः। ओम नमः शिवाय, शिवाय नमः। ओम शंभु शंकरा नमः शिवाय, शिवाय नमः। ओम हर हर महादेव नमः शिवाय, शिवाय नमः। ओम सदाशिव नमः शिवाय, शिवाय नमः। ओम कैलाशवासी नमः शिवाय, शिवाय नमः। ओम शिव शिव शंभु हर हर शंभु, शिवाय नमः। ओम ओम नमः शिवाय, शिवाय नमः। ओम ओम नमः शिवाय, शिवाय नमः। ओम You are the mountain, you are the sky. The chaos of life will come and go, but your stillness is permanent. Deepen your breath, feel the ground beneath you. Take this unshakable stillness with you as you slowly awake. जो शांति मैंने अपने अंदर अनुभव की है, वही शांति मेरे हर कार्य में प्रकट हो। May the same peace I have experienced within me manifest in all my actions. लोका समस्ता सुखिनो भवन्तु। ओम शांति शांति शांति।